Sitting on CNC Group Break 2836, we're on to the 1314 Series 110 and the 1213 Series 1 Hobby. Jumbo for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. All right. We've got a canvas for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrique. Young Guns for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. Base. Upper Deck Game Jersey for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. MVP for the Oilers, Taylor Hall. Hockey Heroes for the Edmonton Oilers, Grant Fuhr. Young Guns for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. Yay, collation. Nice. And we've got the Young Guns Canvas Checklist, which will be random between the Oilers and Avalanche, Nail Yakupov and Nathan MacKinnon. Yakupov, Nathan MacKinnon. Shining Stars for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Base. Young Guns for the San Jose Sharks, Tomas Hertl. Teenage Mutant Ninja Hertl. Tomas Hertl. And MVP for the Winnipeg Jets, Andre Pavelec. Now to the 12-15 Series 1. Hockey Heroes for the LA Kings, Marcel Dion. Base. Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Runas. MVP for the Bruins, Brad Marchand. Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeremy Welsh. He runs like a Welshman. Upper Deck Game Jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Brent Johnson. Silver Skates for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. And a Hockey Heroes for the Buffalo Sabres, Gilbert Perreault. Base. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. Young Guns for the LA Kings, Jordan Nolan. Upper Deck Game Jersey for the Detroit Red Wings, Justin. I scored both goals tonight, Abdelkader. Abdelkadabra. Nice. Case hit, Requisite Radiance die cut for the Buffalo Sabres, Thomas Vanek. MVP for the Flyers, Scott Hartnell. Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Silver skates for the Calgary Flames, Sven Berchi. And a canvas for the St. Louis Blues, Yaroslav Halak. MVP for the Jackets, Jack Johnson. Base. Canvas for the New Jersey Devils, Ilya Kovalchuk. Base. MVP for the Canadiens, Carey Price. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Riley Sheahan. Young Guns Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Riley Smith. There you go, the Boston Bruins leading goal scorer for the Dallas Stars, Riley Smith. Base. Canvas for the Anaheim Ducks, Jonas Hiller. There we go. All right, coming up next, 12-13 Retro and Certified.